Hey there, Shooby Doodlers. Well, I was expecting a delivery today, and I thought it was going to be some books I was expecting, but I was very surprised when the delivery man came along and I saw caution, lithium-ion batteries, and then Wacom. Wacom have asked me to do a review, which I will be very, 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 very happy to do. So let's just open this up. So exciting. I am such a lucky boy. Not just one box. Wacom Intuos Pro, but also the Wacom Intuos, which is the smaller, cheaper version. I'm going to be doing reviews of both of these. I think I'm going to do this with my laptop, so it's the kind of thing that you can take away with you because it's a bit smaller, isn't it? Yes, but I am really desperate to open up this one, which is the Wacom Intuos Pro, because my old Wacom is sitting here and it's falling to bits, literally falling to bits. I've had it certainly over 10 years now. So I'm going to start by opening this up, and this is the bit that I love. Getting the cellophane going. Do we still call it so? Is it cellophane? I don't know what it's actually made of anymore. This stuff that they wrap around it. Oh, and it's got that lovely smooth matte finish to it. They package these things so perfectly these days, inch perfect, millimetre, micromillimetre perfect. So that's an outer case, and then, oh look, so this is the inner case. It's all very beautiful. I think this is going to be a magnet. Velcro. There we go, Velcro things, and dun dun dun. So here we have the Wacom Intuos Pro tablet. Underneath it, we have got Wacom Start, the Wacom Pen, Wacom Holder. Oh, that's quite heavy, quality. And then we've got the USB cable as well. So the pen, it's got that nice light feel that I like with the Wacom pen, and that's a shape that I recognise instantly. Take the kind of protective sleeve off, and I'm holding that. You've got this nice vinyl, that's the word I'm looking for, is that kind of vinyl grip on there. So this is my old pen, this is the new pen, and you can see there's not a lot of difference. Slightly shorter, I think, but picking it up, it feels exactly the same. So it's something I'm used to. I feel I can just get straight to work with this. We've got the buttons on the top. I got this as a replacement at some point, and I got it without the buttons because I don't use the buttons an awful lot. Maybe I will now. And then this bit here, you can turn it around and use it as an eraser, depending on the software that you're using. So I'm very happy with this. That just feels like I can get straight to work. Here is the actual tablet. They call that the touch ring, and we have these buttons here which you can assign to various things. And in the past, you've had a kind of a bit of tracing paper kind of thing stuck over the top, but this is all one surface, and it says that it is multi-touch as well, so that's going to be really interesting to see how that works. So we've got the cable. I'm a typical Mac user, I'm afraid. I haven't read the instructions. Mac users just leap in and try things. So here we have the cable. I'm going to plug that in there, and then I'm going to plug that into the back of my Mac. And then here we have a pen holder. And there we go. That's nice and easy. So I'll have that on my desk somewhere to put my pen, because I usually lose it, and I usually just about to tread on it on the floor. We have a little thing here which says rough, standard, smooth, so I'm not quite sure what that's about. We'll check that out in a little while. And here we have a little pouchy kind of thing, which I'm going to open up, and inside, oh, that's very interesting. It looks like you can put coloured rings on your pen, you know, so that you can say this is mine and not yours. Ooh, I like the red. And then you unscrew here, so that will go on there like that. And then that pen comes along there, and that goes around there. There we are, we've got that red ring going around there, which makes me kind of feel at home because, as you know, I use Rotring pens all the time. German, Ursprung durch Technik kind of thing going on. And Wacom, being German, confuses lots of people. So I call it Wacom. What do you call it? Do you call it Wacom? Wacom? Some people call it Wacom. Some people call it Wacom, Wacom. So you've got the German VW thing going on there. I call it Wacom, and I will continue calling it Wacom. If you can't wait to get your hands on one, I've put Amazon links in the description box below. I get a little commission if you buy them from there, which helps to run this channel, but you don't pay any extra. And I'm not being paid by Wacom to make this video either, but they have sent me a review copy. So click the link up in the top right to go and see the next video, in which I put the new tablet through its paces and show you setting up and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, do that, and I'll see you over there in a minute. Thanks for watching, and you can support this channel and get so much more on my Patreon page. Click to find out more. Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner Drawing Channel on YouTube, and in the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.